Hey everyone, let me show you how to create a 360-degree video like this in iClone. I'm sure you understand what 360 degrees means, but take another look at your scene. Since the viewer can watch your video in all 360 degrees, you need to make sure all your characters are playing their roles continuously. Let's enable the 360-degree mode. Open the render section, render video, scroll down a bit, and here you need to check Enable 360-degree panorama. After that, you'll probably want to adjust your camera. When everything is ready, go back to the rendering section and let's look at the settings. Most settings should be the same as when rendering a regular video. I just want to highlight one specific setting: frame size. So, if you want your video to be clear and not blurry, you should choose Ultra HD, which is 4K resolution. Remember that a 360-degree video contains more visual information than a regular video. For example, Full HD is not enough for a 360-degree video. You can see that the most 360 videos on YouTube are made in 4K. I understand that rendering a 4K video will take a lot of time. In this case, I recommend lowering some parameters. For example, you can reduce this value to 5 or 6. This is enough if your video doesn't have many action scenes like fights. You can also reduce this parameter, and this will also save you time. I usually choose medium. I don't notice much difference between medium and high, except for the rendering time. Then click export, and after a while you'll get your 360-degree video, which you can watch on your computer through VLC player, for example.